Here are 10 Amazon unique home items to make your life easier, plus new cool gadgets and so much more. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below and pinned in that comments section. If you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can go ahead and scan the QR code on screen. Nothing in this video is sponsored. Let's do it. And make sure you stick around to the end of this video to see this incredible find on Amazon that I'm absolutely loving right now. You know I love my Barkeeper's Friend products, so when I saw this bundle, you know I had to get it. So if you're looking for cleaning products that actually work and simplify your life, the Barkeeper's Friend All-Purpose Cleaner Bundle is your solution. I've been using both the soft cleanser and the More Spray and foam cleaner, and they're now my go-to for tackling everything from oily residues to hard water stains. The soft cleanser is amazing. It's thick, clings to vertical surfaces, which I love, and works wonders on stainless steel. I've used it on everything from rust stains in my sink to grease on the stove, and it never disappoints. Now, the More Spray and Foam is equally impressive, and the spray head even works upside down so you can easily reach those really awkward spots. I've been using both products all over my kitchen and bathroom, sinks, backsplashes, fixtures, you name it. Honestly, once you try these, you'll never look back. They're total game changers for everyday cleaning. If you're like me and spend a lot of time sitting on bleachers for games or events, both of my sons play baseball and hockey, well then this heated stadium seat is a game changer. It has 3 heat levels and you can easily adjust the temperature with a single touch, keeping you warm for hours. Just remember, you will need a power bank. Chances are you have one on handy for your smartphone already. And if you're in the market for one, I'll be sure to link one down below. What I really love is the comfort. The seat has 6 reclining options and adjustable armrests, so you can customize it to your liking. Plus, it's super sturdy with straps and a hook to keep it in place. No more worrying about slipping when you jump up to cheer. It comes in 2 different sizes and has 4 separate pouches to hold your power bank, snacks, water bottle, and so much more. And the best part, it's waterproof and portable, so I can easily carry it like a backpack to all the games, and my hands are free. When we first moved in, the old crystal chandeliers in my kitchen just didn't fit our style. They were quite dated, but it took me 2 years to find the perfect replacement. I am obsessed with these amazing industrial pendant light fixtures. They have really transformed my entire living room, dining, and kitchen space. These lights have a unique artistic feel, making them both functional and stylish. These are the perfect blend of style and easy installation, and they do come in a variety of different colors. And there are 2 different size options, medium or large. How cool is this drain snake? It's definitely not your typical one, and here's why. The drain weasel makes unclogging drains a breeze with its 360 rotating handle. Also has micro hooks that grab onto hair and grime. Just use the disposable wands, then toss them out when you're done. Pop in the wand, twist the handle, and pull out all that gunk. It's super simple to use, even if you're not a plumbing pro. I love that. And by the way, on Amazon, this is a #1 bestseller. You get 5 wands and the handle for just about $19. I absolutely love these baskets in my pantry. Now, they do come with a cute chalkboard and marker for labeling, but I've personally chosen not to write on them, and don't judge my pantry just yet. I've got a pantry makeover video coming soon. While they're perfect for organizing pantry items, I've also found them super helpful for tidying up around the house, for clothes to bathroom essentials and so much more. The natural hand-woven material gives them a stylish touch, making them functional and decorative. And your color options are black, brown, gray, natural, and white, which is super beautiful too. If you're looking for the best loaf pan, I've got you covered. This glass pan has become my absolute favorite. It's super easy to care for, and my banana bread bakes so evenly in it without any burnt spots. This strong glass can handle up to 500 degrees, and I love that it's microwavable, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. The lid is perfect for storing leftovers, although it's important to note that the lid is not microwavable or oven safe. Right now on Amazon, these loaf pans with lids are 17% off for a limited time. As you know, I hosted a dance party for my daughter's new dance team, and it was so much fun putting everything together. One of the best parts was serving drinks, and this drink dispenser made it so easy for the girls to grab lemonade whenever they wanted. It holds a generous 1.5, 3, or even 5 gallons, so I didn't have to worry about constant refills, and I could enjoy my time with my guests. Plus, the dual ice chambers kept the lemonade cold all night without watering it down, which was a nice bonus. The stainless steel design looks sleek and it's a breeze to take apart and clean afterwards. This dispenser is perfect for parties, picnics, or any event where you want to keep things cool and convenient. Here's another item I absolutely loved for my daughter's dance party, this balloon arch kit. Once we set it up and filled it with balloons, it created the perfect backdrop and the girls had so much fun taking pictures under it. The arch stand was super easy to assemble and I love that I could adjust the height and design to fit the space. The kit came with everything we needed except for the balloons, so it was super convenient. The water-filled bases kept the arch sturdy even with all the excitement. We literally had over 30 people in my house. And right now on Amazon, this is 20% off. This is worth every penny in my opinion because you can use it in so many different places and spaces. We've been using these clear storage containers for my daughter's hair accessories for a while now, but I recently started using them in my bathroom to organize some essentials like cotton balls and Q-tips. They are perfect for keeping everything in place and they help maximize the space. These stackable round compartments have made it so easy to keep everything easily accessible without the clutter, which you know I hate. They're not just for the bathroom either. I've used them for makeup, kitchen essentials, and even laundry room items. Plus, they come with tray lids that keep everything secure and neatly stacked. Steals and deals today, my friend. Right now on Amazon at the time of filming, this is 11% off, so just about $15. And it does come in a variety of sizes. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, make sure that you do. I do post almost daily on Instagram stories, plus some sneak peeks and behind the scenes and limited time deals. And now for this incredible item that I fell in love with, and you will too. Watch this. I am so happy I purchased this electric fireplace for our bedroom. Now that summer is wrapping up and it's starting to feel like fall, I'm loving my little fireplace. We don't have a TV in the bedroom and I wanted something that would add a cozy vibe while giving the room a bit of elegance. The flames are so realistic and I love that I can change the color and dim the lights depending upon my mood. The storage cabinets and sleek glass make it look modern and elegant, while the powerful heater keeps our room nice and toasty. Plus, the remote makes it super convenient to control everything right from the bed. Everything you need is included, and assembly is super simple, enough for one person to complete. And right now on Amazon, this super beautiful fireplace and light set is 13% off. This is so versatile in almost any space. Have you signed up for the free weekly newsletter? If not, make sure that you do. It's linked in the description box below and pinned in that comments section. And click the video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.